Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about the Bitcoin chart and the USDT dominance, and we'll be seeing what's the future outcome of the Bitcoin price, how it's going to do, whether we're going to see a rally from this point or whether we're going to see correction coming in. So let's get started. For today's analysis, I'll be using an 8-hour time frame chart, and what a move Bitcoin has made yesterday, where we saw a nice breakout above the 65k resistance. In my earlier posts, I have been mentioning about the 65k and the 60k support level. This two support and level has been quite strong for Bitcoin recently, and right now the 65k has been broken above it, and we saw the daily close above this level. Now, we can see that there's a slight retest taking place. Is that something that we need to worry about, or are we going to see another breakdown below the 65k? Well, in my honest opinion, I am analyzing the 65k, which was a resistance. Now it is turned out to be a support over here. So let me just write it down as support for now. So it has turned out as a support, and I am analyzing this support to stay strong, and we might see a bounce back taking place, which means from this level we saw the breakout, then the retest, and maybe now we'll reach all the way to 70k. So that's the expectation I'm keeping as of now. The reason being said is the USD dominance. If I move on to the USD dominance, and if we look at BTC chart in a higher time frame, you will notice certain things. Now, the USD dominance in this weekly time frame, as I've mentioned earlier, it has moved in the same direction, and I also mentioned that there is a nice resistance over here, this parallel channel over here, which is holding as a quite strong support and resistance for the USD dominance. And right now we can see that there was a slight rejection from this resistance, which brought a nice rally in the price of Bitcoin, where we saw it over here. And then right now the rejection is taking place. So if the rejection continues, that means the USD dominance will try to reach back to the lower support level at 3.7%, which means the Bitcoin price has a higher chances to rally above this level, maybe breaking out the 70k resistance as well. If we see this move coming in, if we see the USD dominance breaking down like this, somewhere similar move, if we see like this, then I'm definitely sure that the Bitcoin and the altcoins will rally for sure. But we also need to keep in mind that the correction phase is somewhere at this resistance level over here, this upper trend line, and the USD dominance technically must reach out to this level, where we will see the final phase of correction, and then from that level on we will see the downfall on the USD dominance, which means the rally, the all season, the bull run that we were mentioning about, all this will start in a very good phase. Till now, whatever I've seen, many traders, many influencers have been mentioning that the bull run is over, or maybe the all season's over. This was it. We have touched the all-time high, and that's the level. But looking at the USD dominance, I don't think so that the actual bull run has come yet. I don't think the all season has come yet. That was just a small spark to the market, and I believe that there is a lot more that we will be seeing in the upcoming days. So I believe that a nice bull run and the old season is still pending. Moving on to the higher time frame, we will check out the daily time frame chart on Bitcoin, and as you can see it over here, that the Bitcoin has smoothly hold this supporting trend line over here, and it has bounced back. So looking into this higher time frame, we can see this nice symmetrical triangle pattern forming, and the Bitcoin price is still under it, which means if we see a breakout taking place, maybe somewhere like this, we have seen this downtrend, now this uptrend, if we see a breakout, then this is going to be great for the market. But if we see another rejection somewhere, let's say it that we try to move to this direction, and then from this 70k we got rejected once again, and there would be a high tendency to see a move like this where the correction will take place, or if not, we will see a bounce back taking place once again after the rejection, and maybe after that we will see a nice rally taking place. So this is something that is quite possible to look at, but I'm hoping that the Bitcoin will definitely surpass the symmetrical triangle in a upper direction rather than falling or breaking it down. If in the worst case, if we see a breakdown taking place on the Bitcoin price in this higher time frame, then we would consider this 52k to be a very good range to accumulate, or if not, the lower support, as we have mentioned, 44k, very good range to buy back Bitcoin, or to DCA, or you can call it to accumulate the Bitcoin price at this price levels. So this is what I'm expecting as of now, and I'm hoping for the best to take place, where this lower time frame, in this 8-hour time frame chart, this 65k should hold as a good support, and then we must see a breakout taking place up to 70k as of now. So this is the key point, 65k to hold the support as of now. Till yesterday it was the resistance, and now it is a support. Another key point, the second key point, will be the target of 70k. That's what I'm keeping in mind as of now. On the negative side, most probably if we see a breakdown taking place once again, then close range to 62.5k, or in the worst case 60k again. That's the level that I'm looking forward into Bitcoin in the negative aspect. But so far till now I am positive on this, and I'm expecting a breakout, a bounce back to take place, a place of a target of 70k to achieve on Bitcoin very soon. So this is what I'm expecting. I hope you like this video. If you find this video informative, then do like, share and subscribe, and please do not consider this as a financial advice, because this video is only meant for educational purpose. So thank you so much for tuning in. God bless you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye for now.